Vasco de Souza. Madu. Jabal. Dari Tegal. Dari Tegal. 17 seconds to shoot. Bersosa. Closer. Madu. Vasco de Souza. Jabal. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Seven minutes and 29 seconds. Wala, hindi mo magaling guys. Demera. Kikman. Pagdimera. Bravo. Biggest ball. Two biggest ball. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 76-67. 9-point lead. 17 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Singino.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. Riva Sanchez. Pass to Colombian. Bersosa. Solo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Subdivision. 19 seconds to shoot. Sanchez. 2 points. Go Sanchez. Bordilla. Kalimlim. Pass to the Vera. Tinggal yang press. Shoot. Riva di sini. Pass to the Vera. Rivera, pass to Celino, pass to Vizcarras, 14 seconds to shoot. Celino, Bordilla,
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Rivera. Foul. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, that's your second. Personal foul. Second team foul. Point for team Visions. 5 minutes.
6 minutes.
Aguilar. Aguilar.
10 seconds to shoot.
Steven Sanchez. Sanchez. People. Besar. Timeout. Team Vijans. Ano na po ang karangalan ng Team Vijans? Team Vijans. Isa na lang po ang timeout nyo. Bravo. Bravo na ang bola. Vamos Gudera. Steven Sanchez. Pakalimil. Steven Sanchez. Wow. Jersey number 22. That's the second. Personal foul. Third team foul.
20 seconds to shoot.
20 seconds.
20 seconds to shoot.
Melendez.
Melendez.
14 seconds.
Pass to Gudera. 10 seconds to shoot. Gudera. Bata. Foul.
Jersey number.
Jersey number 99. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Gudera.
Time remaining.
1 minute. Gudera. Gudera. Mata, Magasa, foul. Jersey number 16. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul.
1 minute na, pare. 1 minute.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. By Team Vijans. Still may galing. Gudera. Vijans. Gudera. Ano na po ang kalangan ng Team Vijans? Sumino. Busquets. Foul. Jersey number 15. That's your third personal foul. Warning for penalty. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. Batting the ball. Anim na lang po ang kalamakan ng Team Vijans. Mata. Balik po sa anin ang kalamangan ng Team Villagers. Rivera. Pass to Kaluli. Pass to Bersasa. Bersasa. Ismail Menendez. Pass to Menendez. Menendez. Pagling, violation. Menendez. Time remaining 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Bersasa. Gimana? Pagling, violation. Substitution break.
Tawag mo, tawag mo, tawag mo, tawag mo.
Tawag mo kasi.
Balik sa amin ang kalamangan ng Team Villagers. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Rivera. Last minutes na last. 40 seconds to shoot. Foul. Jersey number 4. That's your third. Personal foul. Warning for penalty. Rivera. Stay Rivera. Last 2 minutes. Bersasa. Pumata. Tepat sila. Tepat sila. 5 point lead. Tepat sila. Rivera. Pass to Sinila. Sinila. Lalu. Rivera Sanchez. Dari Tamal. Substitution left. Time remaining 1 minute and 26 seconds. The score 89-84. 5-point lead by Team Villagers. Sanchez. Take. 30 seconds to shoot. Desperas. Pass to Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera for 3. Leonard. Rivera Bravo. Rivera for the blue. 57 seconds. Sebo. 52 seconds. 52 seconds. 52 seconds. Rivera. Rosalina. 40 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.